like that.
Hey, we got that shit up there. Like a parrot. Hey. Stop shooting over my eyes.
Mr. Pissy Popper, black on lock and loaded. Like some bitch, Pissy Popper, cause I got her open. That pussy soaking, fuck you, she promoting. Yeah, you clean, you rape, you hate it like you love it. Oh, food on this new ass, fuck some food on this new cash. I got choices to hold my balls, all I ever do is let my juice sag. Pop my balls with the juice bag, juice.
Oh shit, baby! I'm tired, boy. And we just woke up. We at the beach with it. You know, it's the AirShow. We really been out there bitch since. We've been out here since like 12 o'clock last night, for real, for real. And I'm tired. Well, I ain't really tired, I'm rested. I'm really just waking up, so I'm trying to wake myself up a little bit. But we finna explore, see who out here, see what to do. Right now it's like, what time it is? It's like 6. It's 6:33, so. Damn, it's 6:33. It's 6:33, man. It's 6:33, man. I'm finna show y'all a little something. This shit, ain't gonna lie though, this parking lot been packed out since 1 o'clock in the morning last night. And we got lucky as shit when we got this parking spot too, so. Oh yeah, I got something for y'all. I don't know if y'all can see this shit. This what I'm wearing on the shirt. This what I'm wearing on the shirt, right? So everybody just gonna have to tap in with it, you know. But yeah, we gonna walk around and see what's what. Hey man, they trying to teach a nigga how to flip and shit, bro. Before the day in, I'm gonna do that.
I'll take you to that spot.
Hey, bro. Hey, you gonna learn how to be? Before the day, I'm gonna do that. You gonna hit that bit? I'm gonna hit that bit before the day.
But you wanna learn too?
Hell, not right now. Hell no. These niggas not fun though. I gotta be sober. Hey, I gotta be sober, Jober, man.
Number one thing is you can't be scared to slip.
I ain't scared to do it. I wanna do it. I wanna do it.
No, the drink gonna take away some of that fear.
That's what I'm saying.
That's you though. That's you though. That's you though. That's you though. That's you though.
Go introduce him to the cooler.
That liquid courage. Hey, that good old liquid courage, boy. That good old liquid courage on God. Hit the cooler real quick, Drew.
Hit the cooler right now. No, me.
Come on, Drew. Hit the cooler. Let me show y'all that within that what though. Whoa.
Big stupid ahead, boy.
Damn. Hey, Drew.
Come on, Drew. Where your cup? Hey, we got Coronas over there if you want one.
Where?
You want a Corona? Come on.
Ain't gonna kill.
There you go. Stop that ass up. That's how Mike Tyson be holding you. Hey, y'all come out some damn wool. She ain't here, She ain't here,
You gotta take that pill.
Nigga, this round one, that first shit ain't count. I wasn't satisfied. Along with you in that village here, so I Floyd Mayweather. What you thinking about? Holy shit! Holy shit!
Oh shit!
We gotta try to start saying you're supposed to start getting on that wheel. Let's get this shit. We here all day. My damn back hurts.
Who you got, man?
What's up? I got Swan, man.
Who you got?
I got Swan.
She got me.
Hey, too much on that. I got him. Keep pushing, bro. What I told you. Tell me you getting up there, Drew.
Who finna fight?
Drew, you wanna get out there, right?
Hey, real double F shit, man. Who finna fight? I wanna see a nigga get knocked out. I ain't even got my goals in today because I'm talking too much shit. You feel me? And I just stepped on that box.
Oh, my bad. Not me.
Don't call my big mama on me.
I missed the fight. I was taking a shot.
We need another heavyweight. Niggas gonna be scared of fight.
Hey, stop running so them damn fish. You got a tattoo on your back, nigga. I know that shit hurt. What the fuck y'all rapping at?
fucked up.
Oh, y'all both there, nigga. That's the time. Oh. Hey, Reggie. Hey, boy, you need some sunscreen on, boy. You need some sunscreen, boy. Nah, yeah. Go now, go. You see everything? Yeah. Oh. He must have been down in the county. He probably like he got county jail squad. Hey, I want you to go in there, boy. Reggie, I got a matchup. Yeah, bro. Get your ass back. Hey, five. Okay, round one. Someone call 911. Hey, now, fuck all that pep talk. Come on. That nigga used to fight in the hood. Ain't nobody want this. Oh, shit. I know he's there. Round three. I know y'all niggas ain't graduated yet. Oh! Man, get your ass off the platform, nigga. You ain't fighting. Oh! I know. Hey, boy, that's dope. I need some milk. Hey, Kyle, I think that shit over when he put some in this shit. That shit look like a herb. I ain't gonna lie. I know y'all niggas play baseball. Oh, he went to sleep. That shit over. Get him! Y'all be in time together? That's kind of damn forward. Damn, nigga. Hey, anybody want to sit out? Oh, what your ass doing out here, boy? Hey, Tor, do this shit for granted, nigga. Do this shit for granted, nigga. Hey, Tor. Boy, these niggas whoop your ass. I'm on your ass, boy. I'm on your ass. He knocked you out. He ain't got no haircut. That nigga about straight biz. That boy ain't got no haircut. He about straight biz. And he's spinning it down, nigga. Hey, stop looking at my homeboy like that while his head down. You're scared of my homeboy. He already threw him. Hey, Tor, if that nigga catch you, he got 10 hands coming to him. He got 10 hands coming to him, man. Do this shit for granted, boy. Come on,
Every time I try to touch gloves, he just hit me.
It's too slippery. I told you that shit. It's a setup, man. You drunk, your man gonna lose. You got a black. I'm good. I'm good.
They took over my shit, bro. You finna get in that bitch?
Hell no.
You ain't trying to box? What, bro? You finna box? You finna box?
I want to, but ain't nobody my age.
Yeah, y'all do.
He don't want to.
Man, damn. Y'all got box in that bitch, bro. Why ain't you bro?
Parrot.
What?
Like a parrot.
Alright, dude.
Yeah, like a parrot. Oh, shit.
I'm money on bro.
We good.
she would go with my ass, I would cry.
Very well. And for the bus, I catch a shell.
That's my dog. That's my dog.
I like my boy that came over. I like yeah, put your bottle up, nigga. Put your bottle up. That's the same thing that happened in the first round. Yeah. That's the same thing that happened in the first
How you feeling, my nigga?
Feeling good.
We need some more drinks in our system, ain't gonna count. Ain't gonna count. This shit a movie out there.
Damn, we should send JG them to get the shit.
Yeah.
knock his ass out. Come on, Jay. Hold on, bitches. Out to the ground. Hold on, bitches. He quit? Oh. I don't want to fight no more. You know, knock that stuff out. This is slavery.
Judy!
There you go. Don't turn around. Don't move. Stand there. Hey. Throw them bitches. Come on. Come on.
Right here. Right here.
Hey, stand there and throw them bitches. Stand there and throw them bitches.
But y'all see this shit lit. On God. On God, this shit lit. Hey, how y'all feeling about today? How y'all feeling about today?
Feeling good.
On God. How y'all feeling about today? Y'all lit? Y'all lit? For sure. Y'all lit? Y'all turn? How y'all feeling about today?
I'm feeling good. Like
Y'all feeling good? Y'all feeling good? You feeling good, man?
Yeah.
Oh, for sure, you feeling good? Yeah. Hell yeah. Oh shit, you feeling real good. She feeling too good. This shit lit though, I ain't gonna count. This is a fucking movie. All right, bro, we made it back on the PG-13. We made it back on the PG-13 side, you know, so we can get some food. Cause I'm hungry and I'm lit and I got a little headache. I need to eat some. I ain't eating nothing since I've been here. But it's a great day. My nigga Drew, he was scared to get in the boxing ring. Somebody called him out. Somebody called him out, he said no.
Everybody calling me out to get in the boxing, bro. Everybody over there.
He didn't want to get in the boxing ring for real.